Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I want to give you 2 tips to shooting better videos, whether it's for YouTube or your audience, whatever it may be. I want to help you become more confident and speak your message from your heart on video. So before we dive into the content, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. If you're here for the first time, make sure you like this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, appreciate you for coming back to this video and continuing to support me. So in this video, I'm actually here with my girlfriend right here, which kind of inspired this video because she's in the process of getting used to shooting videos. And I was just having a conversation with her, giving her some tips, and when she tried to shoot that first take, she was thinking about what she was saying, if she was saying it the right way. She kept looking left and right from the camera, so kind of in her head instead of being there for her audience. And that's tip number 1. Stop being so internal and be more present and external. Focus on your audience, focus on the message. And I understand at first when you start shooting videos, it can be very difficult to be present. But you've got to get out of your head. If you're going to truly give people value, and if you're truly interested in helping people, think less about yourself and think more about your audience. So that's tip number 1. And tip number 1 kind of leads into tip number 2 in understanding and trusting the process. What do I mean by trusting the process? A lot of people, again, they're in their head trying to script exactly what they're going to say, how they're going to say it, and if it doesn't come out right, they tend to stop the video and restart it again because they set these expectations. What I would urge you to do is sort of have an idea of what you want to say, but don't script it verbatim. Right? Allow your subconscious mind and the confidence within yourself to allow the words to flow as they may. Right? So it takes a level of confidence to kind of understand what you want to say, but it's also another thing to allow your subconscious mind throughout the years of memorizing vocabulary, allow your mind to sort of help you navigate your way through your video. Kind of what I'm doing right now. When I sat down and decided I was going to shoot this video, I took 2 tips, 2 concepts, and I sort of kind of improvised in my head what I was going to say, kind of how I was going to say it, but I didn't overthink the process. So you don't want to be overthinking the process inside of your videos. So you've got to think, you've got to understand that you've got 2 parts of your mind. You've got the conscious part of your mind, you've got the subconscious part of your mind. The subconscious part of your mind is the programming, it's the habits, it's the things that you've learned over the years that have been embedded into your mind. And so what you need to do is you need to rely and trust the subconscious mind that you're going to get your message out there the way that you want it to, be portrayed and the way that you want people to hear you. So those are really the 2 tips to getting started on video. Hopefully you got value from this short video and this inspires you to go out there and start shooting videos. At the end of the day, trust the process. It's like jumping off of a cliff and knowing that your parachute's going to open up and you're going to land safely to the ground. And sometimes you won't. Sometimes you're going to have mistakes. Sometimes things won't come out the way that you want them to come out. But there's some confidence that comes with just doing and, getting a video out there even though you might not like it, and stop with the perfectionism and just focus on the progress and the process, right? Don't think about the end goal. Think about the baby steps that you're going to take to get to that end goal and be okay with it. Get some fulfillment within the process because that's truly what creates happiness, is the moment right now, not the end destination. So with that being said, if you got value from this video, like this video, comment below. Let me know if you got some value from these tips, and let me know also, what's your biggest fear when it comes to shooting videos? Is it not knowing what to say? Are you worried about how you look? Are you not focused on your audience? Are you more focused on yourself and what you want to say? Stop being selfish and give. When you're starting a YouTube channel, understand that you're not doing it to make money. You're doing it to serve people. And if you have that intention, you're gonna, you know, build a big audience, and you're gonna also make a lot of money. So that will just be a byproduct of the value that you give to the marketplace. So with that said, like, comment, share this, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.